it's me in the kitchen cooking with these gadgets. As you can see, I have some ground beef, sausages, bell peppers, and all kind of veggies in this meat. This gadget that I'm using today is called a meat chopper. It has 4 fins, and all you do is squish down and it chops the meat up in the pan. This is very, very convenient. I love this gadget. It's called a meat chopper. It's about, I guess, 10, 11 inches long. And it has a convenient little hole in it to hang on a utensil rack if you want. But which would be better because it's kind of wide and clunky to be putting in a drawer. But yeah, this is all you do is just smash down in the meat and it chops through the meat. So I like it. In the kitchen, cooking with these gadgets. Hope you guys enjoyed this episode. Yeah, cooking with these gadgets. A meat chopper. Alright, until the next episode, I'll talk to you guys later. Thanks for watching.